Good day, Ma'am Rose Ann, and to all my classmates. I am Mercy Onchal Sinsoro from Davao Cluster, and we are the Group 10. Our topic is all about environmental awareness. From the word environmental awareness is a crucial aspect of fostering a sustainable futures, emphasizing the needs of individuals and communities to understand and take responsibility for their impact of environment. And there are four types of importance of environmental awareness. First is decision making. Awareness empowers. There are four types of importance of environmental awareness. First is decision making. Awareness empowers individuals to make informed choices that positively affect the environment, or paggawa ng desisyon. Ito ay nagbibigay kapangyarihan sa mga individual na gumagawa ng mga kaalamang pagpipilian. Second is community engagement. Fostering a sense of responsibility, environmental awareness encourages community involvement in local conservation efforts or pakikipag-ugnayan sa komunidad sa pamamagitan ng pag-aalaga ng isang pakikiramdam sa responsibilidad. And the third is policy influence. Informed public can influence policy to implement regulations that protect environment. O ang isang mahusay na kaalaman sa publiko ay maaaring maimpluwensyahan ang paggawa ng patakaran upang maitupad ang mga regulasyon na nagproprotekta sa kapaligiran. And the last is education's advocacy. Raising awareness helps educate others about environmental issues, creating advocacy, other environmental issues, or ang pagtaas ng kamalayan ay tumutulong na turuan ang iba't ibang tungkol sa mga isyu sa kapaligiran. Now we are going to proceed the 10 benefits of environmental awareness. Environmental education is presented as a process that allows individuals to explore environmental issues, engage in problem solving, and take actions to improve the environment. Or ito ay ipinapakita bilang isang proseso ng nagpapahintulot sa mga individual na gulugarin ang mga isyu sa kapaligiran at makisali sa paglutas ng problema at gumagawa ng